I'm doing another pen mail opening, so welcome my friends back to Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews, doing another mail call. And since it's been mandatory that here in Texas we all wear masks, I do have some masks that some friends have made me, but I wanted to venture out and get some other masks that I like to wear different masks every day, and that way I can wash a mask and let it dry out. But I went to Estes and I ordered a new mask. And would you like to pronounce the name while I open up the mask?
Arlinda Smith.
Yeah. And she is the owner of the Mad Mask Lady on Estes, right there. So let's get this open and see how this mask is gonna feel if I ever get it open. There we go. I think, Mr. Announcer, you ordered some, didn't you?
I ordered some Super Mario masks.
Super Mario Man. All right. So here's the lady that I ordered it from. Okay. And it always says recommend wash before wearing, hand or machine wash, dry flat, iron as needed, do not iron elastic. So here is this pen mask. And can you believe what it is? The Beatles Yellow Submarine. So, and this, do I have it right?
Yes.
All right, so I'll just put all that together. And voila, there it is. Wow. One of my favorites, the Beatles. Yellow Submarine. So that's it for today. Peace and love to all my friends out there. Don't forget your mask here in Texas. It's mandated. Have respect for others. Wash them hands. Do that social distance. And as always, my friends, don't text and drive. Later.